Hey, guess what? I just got back from vacation and I'm going to show you what I'm going to make today to get back on track. Stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow a whole food plant-based no oil way of eating. If that sounds good to you, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every week. And be sure to follow me on Instagram and check out all the links below for all the resources that I offer. Yes, you heard me right. I am back from vacation. I had a lovely week in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico with my husband. And of course, you know, I may have overindulged just a little bit, but not too bad. I know that I did eat some oil and probably some higher fat foods, but you know what? You're on vacation. I think that's fine. I was able to get in about 12,000 steps a day, and I went to the gym 3 times at the resort. So I got in my exercise, which was really important. So I'm going to get back on track. I really want to get back into my super clean eating with no oil and just lots of fruits and veggies and grains. I can't wait. I really missed having my foods on vacation. I mean, the food was great, but you know, I just miss eating this way. I always feel my best when I eat this way. I'm going to be showing you a really simple, easy, creamy vegetable soup that I'm going to be eating all week long, and that's going to really help me get back on track. It's super low calorie, it's great for weight loss, and I think you're going to love it. Be sure to watch to the end because I'm going to give you a little peek into my vacation in Mexico. We go to this beautiful resort and it's right on the beach. It's so relaxing, and believe me, I really needed it. So be sure and stay tuned for that at the end. Let's get started on that soup. Now I'm going to start the soup like I start every soup. We're going to heat up some water. I've got my pan on medium heat. Then I will be adding 2 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, and 1 onion chopped. We're going to let this saute for about 5-6 minutes till the vegetables are softened. All right, so these are getting nice and softened, so we can add the other ingredients. And I'm going to keep it on medium heat. Then I add 4 cups of chopped potatoes. Then I'm adding in a teaspoon of garlic, chopped garlic, and I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of poultry seasoning and about 4 cups of veggie broth. Now I'm going to cover this and bring it to a boil. Okay, once it starts coming up to a boil, we're just going to turn it down and so it's at a simmer, and we're going to let that simmer for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to add a couple more ingredients. All right, it's been close to 20 minutes, and now I'm going to add another couple ingredients. I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of frozen peas, and then I'm going to blend up 1 can of corn with the water, and this is going to help thicken the soup and make it creamy without adding really a lot of extra calories. So I'm going to go blend this up, and we're going to add it to the soup. Now we're going to let this finish cooking so the potatoes are tender, probably about another 10 minutes. And I'll just put the lid on kind of halfway like that. And lastly, I'm going to add a 5-ounce bag of these power greens. This is baby kale, baby chard, and baby spinach. And this is 5 ounces, and this whole entire bag is 1 serving, and it's 50 calories. But you're going to get a good chunk of fiber and lots of nutrients, so I'm going to add this whole thing in. I'm going to rough chop it and throw that in and let it cook for like the last 5 minutes. So if you don't have the bagged veggies, then just chop up about 4 cups of any kind of greens you would like. All right, we're going to let this go for about 5 minutes, and it's just on a simmer here. This is when you would want to add the salt and pepper. The corn had salt in it and the broth had some salt in it, so I'm not going to add any salt, but taste it and see what you like. And the very last thing we're going to do is add a couple tablespoons of lemon juice just to help brighten up that flavor. All right, we're going to give this a taste. There we go, finished product. It's really hot. I had to put a towel underneath the bowl, but let's give this a taste. Whew, steaming hot. I need a potato, yes. I just love carrots, onions, potatoes, celery. Ugh, such a good combo. Mmm. So delicious. This is going to keep me going all week, okay? I may have to make another batch. I'll probably eat most of it before the end of the week, but really good, great low calorie, low fat, great for weight loss. So if you're trying to get back on track or stay on track, especially right before these holidays coming up, make a big pot of this soup and then just eat it all week. It will keep you full and satisfied, and you're gonna feel great doing it. And using that corn, blending that corn up is a great hack to make soups or stews, anything like that, a little bit more creamy, and it doesn't really add that many more calories. And you're just getting another veg. So if you like this video, if you learned something, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Check out all the links below for all the services I offer. I have a newsletter, I have an e-guide, I have an online course, I have a Facebook group that I would love for you to join. And be sure to stay tuned for my little sneak peek into my Mexican vacation, which was so fun and so relaxing, and I hope you enjoy that as well. And remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.